Well, hello everyone. Thanks for joining Aquila and I on a tour of Clermont Community Garden.
Hi.
Well, welcome to Clermont Community Garden, everyone. Clermont is a great place. A community garden is a nice place to start if you're planning on learning more about backyard gardening. If you don't know anything about gardening, then one of the best places to start is your local community garden. You may want to get into homesteading. Well, the community garden is the place to start. Even you may have a desire to start a backyard garden and don't have enough space in your backyard. Well, the community garden, as I said before, is a great place to start. You also can find people that know things about the soil, know things about farming, and also you can be able to share some of the tools that they have there at the location.
Hmm.
Got the garbage cans, the sitting area over here.
Hmm. I like it. Very nice.
Yes, the
Yes,
flop.
this is a Girl Scout troop here.
And oh, this is a Girl Scout flop right here. How you like it, honey?
Very nice. I like the setup very well. Give us some great ideas, and yeah, this is very nice. I love it. Very nice. Very nice. Great setup. Both Groveland and Clermont both got good setups. I like like I say, the high rise. You have no weeds. It's well maintained, easy to take care of, and now we can kind of see what size plot.
Mm-hmm.
So very nice.
Very nice. Got the sunflowers here.
And I noticed they're all the same size plots. It may have some a little longer than others, but not but for the most of all they're the same size. Hmm.
And they have a nice seating area here, picnic area. You get tired of doing your little work in the garden. All you gotta do is relax. Okay, go over here. Right here. Nice flower there.
Hmm.
And this
Those
is
that look like
service.
what, daisies or something.
Now those are some kind of uh, those is marigold. I think
Oh,
that's marigold.
marigold.
Marigold. That's marigold. Yeah.
What this is here grew on. Wow.
I don't know the name of that.
Mm-mm. But
Those potatoes there, look like maybe those
those
are potato plants.
they
Yeah.
look like they could be, yeah, potato plants. Some people have flowers and some people have vegetables.
Yeah. Flowers.
Mm.
Those are look
This
like
is like rosemary right here.
rosemary. And what is those collards here? What collard greens?
Like some kind of greens or
Nice
cabbage.
cabbage.
Like cabbage.
Okay, cabbage.
Because it's got a thing right there. This
Oh,
broccoli.
that's broccoli.
This is broccoli.
Okay, yeah, that's broccoli. Coming up.
Mhm.
And this is the little
Shed.
shed that keeps
Keep your tools and stuff in.
wheelbarrows. I guess that's
That's
most
probably a
compost
compost.
area over there.
Mhm. Oh, this is nice here.
It's really taking care of that little spot.
Oh, yeah.
What I like. Mm-hmm. Got the soil. Keep the
Mhm.
soil up to date.
This is mint. We had some of that.
Oh
That's
yeah,
peppermint.
yeah. You plant that in your backyard, it cover your whole backyard. It smells very good.
That
Uh,
look like this more cabbage. That's kale.
Kale right there.
This kale. These look like mustard. These look like some kind of greens. Mustard
Mustard,
green.
huh?
Mustard greens. Yes.
Kale.
Hmm.
Pepper.
Yeah.
The location here, Clermont Community Garden.
I noticed that this one has rocks in their area, and the last place we went to had like mulch. But this one here, they got rock for the ground, and the other place we went to had mulch.
Okay.
So you can have a combination of rocks or mulch, or however you, or just bare land.
Okay.
Oh,
So irrigation over here.
yes.
Uh, so they have a long water hose.
But they got a lot of plots left.
And they have plots available. Want to come out Community Garden? Come out and get your plot before the spring season begins. Actually, I said a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
You really need to get out and start getting your plot together.
And the price is reasonable for what they charge, $34 a year.
$34 a year? Oh,
$34 a
that's
year.
almost free.
Yeah, can't beat it. I think it's a
$32
good
a
price.
month.
Yeah,
Huh? About what? Uh,
about 50 cents of
yeah,
something like that.
really nothing now.
No.
Everyone should be able to come out here and get a plot for $34 a year.
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyway, I think that's it. Let me get out the sun. The sun is up. So we're getting ready to head out. Uh, really in the community, really in Aquila. We're at this time leaving the Clermont Community Garden. So folks, uh, begin to get more active in your community um, and begin to learn more about food security um, and how to sustain yourself because prices are going to continue to go up to food in the marketplaces. And we need to learn more about food security and how to grow our own food. Because this is what this is all about, growing our own food and teaching the youth, the young folks coming up to learn more about the soil, about farming, about homesteading, because there's a lot of land that's becoming available in the country, and someone needs to take care of that land, and that someone may just be you. Well, anyway, don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and subscribe.
Bye bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care. Have a blessed day.